How to get a Pisces man to like you fast. 3 tricks to attract the Pisces man today. Are you wondering how to get a Pisces man to like you fast? You're in the right place, my friend. It's specifically created to help you out now. The tips and tricks in this will give you the real dating advice on how to snag that guy you have been after for so long. First, here are a few things to know about the Pisces man. Their birthdays fall between February 19th and March 20th. Their symbol is a fish, and they are the most sensitive sign of all the zodiac signs. They are also the last sign, and thus generally includes a little personality of all the signs previous. Warning: other zodiac signs that are compatible with Pisces are Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, and Capricorn. So if you fall under any one of these, then your chances of a long or short-term relationship with a Pisces is high. Though if you're a Gemini or Sagittarius, you might run into some trouble due to your opposite natures. This doesn't mean it's impossible, just that it will be more difficult to make it work in general. What kind of traits or things attract the Pisces man to a woman? Trick number 1. Simple sexiness. Want to know one way for how to get a Pisces man to like you fast? One of the biggest things for a man like this is simple sexiness. This means a woman who probably doesn't wear a ton of makeup, who also will have a clean and put together look about her. You don't need to have a ton of jewelry or flashy things on you to attract him. You just need to look healthy and in clothing that fits your body and at the same time is comfortable for you. Your self-confidence should come through in the way that you act in public without being cocky. Pisces men are not very materialistic, so fancy brands and looks will not do much for them. They are more interested in the emotional and spiritual side of things. Number 2, present yourself to him. A Pisces man can come across as shy at first, and he may require for you to come up to him to start a conversation, so be aware of this. Once a Pisces man gets talking, there can be no stopping him. You may wonder why he seemed so shy before. Give him plenty of eye contact during your interaction. A Pisces man likes to look directly into your eyes because he is seeing your soul. This will definitely help with how to attract a Pisces man to you. He can pick up on liars and bad vibes of others pretty easily due to his intuitive nature. So give him a good look into your eyes so he can see that you're authentic. Number 3, be quick to follow up. If the man gives you his contact information, do not wait long to contact him back. This is because he can lose interest pretty fast. These men tend to fall pretty heavy in love with someone at first and give a lot of attention to them at first, so be prepared for this. Reassure him by telling him good things about himself and try to guide him towards positive experiences that will help him succeed. This can greatly help with how to get a Pisces man to like you fast. Though once you get him to like you, how do you get him to fall madly in love with you? What about getting him to vow his devotion to you forever and ever? Click the link in the box now to learn how to truly unlock his heart and the love you deserve for good.